So from any screen onto nav, it's actually come to destination address, previous destination, points of interest and tour. So we'll click address, city and postcode. We'll click the postcode. It's already got our postcode, but that's the previous owner coming to see us. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers, so numbers are there. PR5, 4. It's defaulted back to letters J, S. Some you also need to, if there's only 2 numbers in a postcode, you need to put a space in, but this is automatically taken into account. Click on that. It's asking me for a house number, but Grosvenor Garage into a house number, and then we click start. It's giving me 3 routes there: economy, short and fast. Done.
Starting route guidance.
That's it.